Hey friends, welcome back to new vlog of Trip Dude. Let us visit the Matsyafed Aqua Tourism at Malipuram in Kochi in this vlog. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. You can find different packages worth 350 rupees or 500 rupees. We took the 500 rupees per person package, which includes the Mangrove Forest visit, rowing boat, paddle boat, fish jumping, hook fishing, meals, ice cream and snacks. If you walk a little further from the main entrance, you can find the Mangrove Forest on the right side. You can find many varieties of mangrove forests here, and you can spend around 15 to 20 minutes. The Matsyafed Aqua Tourism is actually located at around 20-kilometer drive from Cochin. I recommend this is the best place for families to spend a whole day. You can plan your trip so that you have to reach here before lunch. After the mangrove forest, maybe you can start your next activity, that is hook fishing. You can get the fishing rod and fish food from the stops. A large area is available where you can try your fishing in the lake. We got 3 small fishes, including the caribbean. You can carry these fishes to home if they are very less in quantity. If the quantity is more, then you have to pay for the fish. We had our lunch after the fishing. It's totally up to you to choose which activity you want to do next. The meals include rice, fish curry, papad, 2 types of upperi, and pickles. It's a nice feel to have the food in front of the lake. If you want a fish or prawns, then you need to pay extra for that. And ice cream is also included in the package. Next, you can try the paddle boating or the rowing boating. It will be very hot at the noon time, so I recommend you better carry a sunscreen or a hat. അപ്പൊ നീ ചാടട്ടോ മുട്ട എന്ത് എടാ ചെരിയുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ സാധനം. എടാ ഇതിന് നമ്മൾ ലൈഫ് ജാക്കറ്റ് ഇടേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? അതിന്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ലാതെ We had our snacks and tea after that. Next, we are heading to see the fish jumping. For this, they will take you in the speedboat. When they ride the speedboat in circular manner, then you'll be able to see the fishes start to jump, especially the pooming. overall I can say we had the best time here. Instead of coming to Cochin to see the shopping malls and metro, maybe next time we can plan to visit this place. Visit this place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.